Okay, this is with regard to your car. What is the best thing you have done for your car?
I have driven somewhere around 49,000 kilometers till date in US.
Now I would repeat the other questions. What is the best thing you have done for your wife? Don't tell me. Don't repeat his answer.
In 49, out of this 49,000, I have taken half the time in my car.
No, I said, what have you done? Best thing you have done for your wife?
I took her
Acha,
in
you
half
have
trip.
around 25,000 you have driven with her. Okay, that's very sweet. That was in Pune? Okay, now, Vishal, wait, we have interesting, I recollect one thing. I asked, how did you manage to get a Manipuri registration staying in Bombay? Where did you buy the car?
I bought my car in Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad. But how did you manage to get a registration of Manipur?
I drove down to Bombay. I have done it temporary registration there in Ahmedabad, Gujarat number. And as per Indian rules, they say within a month you can register it anywhere. You can register it anywhere. So I got it done from Manipur within this 1 month. There is a censored truth.
The truth is always censored.
Exactly. I was not lying, but some data is censored.
Okay, I like that. I think he has confessed to his censoring activity. Thank you.
See, some time back, I got one application from him, most likely, that he wants a IIT logo for his car. Is it true? You see, if he knows, I did not find that document.
There is Mary Magos.
It is not for you.
Not mine, Mary Magos.
So, okay, fine. So, I would like to answer this publicly. Because, you may be thinking that what kind of hate is he is not signing and all that. See, let me tell you honestly, that IIT Kharagpur has got a rule that students should be driving only cycle. You know it?
Yes.
Okay. You know that or not? Yes. Okay. So now obviously I'm not very sure whether for you people, because you may be staying a little bit away, plus you are defense officers, your family and all that, exception can perhaps be made. Alright. So if these exceptions can be made, I think you have to take in student affairs permission. So kindly try. It is true that you can add to your 49,000.
Thank you, sir. Okay, Mago sir. You can come with strawberry, no problem. Mago sir has played this game a lot. And he has won a lot of prizes also. What was the best posting you had? I'll ask a series of questions. Best posting you had?
Best posting was a home posting at Ambala. I was OC recovery company.
Okay. I wanted others to know it. I know it. All right. What is the best thing you like about ma'am?
There are many good things about her. She's a very talented lady. But of course, she's a very good cook.
Okay, that is an honest confession. And one last question. What is the best subject you like in your first semester?
That is a difficult question. Yeah, my friends got it right. It's business communication, the easiest one.
Yes, I did not say, I said only semester. Well, I think it's true. You can Feel free to answer this question. You can ask Strawberry.
It is difficult to answer when all professors are sitting there.
So you combine all the subjects. You just say it is reliability engineering.
It's RAP, PRA, SMR, and RENT.
Anyhow, I don't mind the order. I have full form of all the subjects.
உனக்கு தெரியும்ல அந்த புக்கு தெரியாது
Start with SMR.
Come on.
Statistics method in reliability.
Statistical method reliability. Okay, wealth.
PRA is prediction. Probability and risk assessment.
Okay, next.
RENT is reliability estimation and life testing.
Okay.
Reliability analysis and prediction.
Okay. So strawberry has helped you.
You want the code number also?
No. I think I have forgotten the code.
I know the code number.
Okay, then please go ahead.
RENT is 60003
Okay.
and SMR is 60011 and
Anybody to validate?
PRA is 60013 and fourth is 6001 0001
Lab.
and lab is 69003.
I think this is too good. Okay, now I call Monday. कोई बात नहीं. It is very long time, I know. Monday, you have been posted to Bombay. So what is the best about Bombay?
Girls.
Very honest. Apart from girls. Okay, apart from this, you like your ships. Good. The Navy is now listening. Okay.
Life is listening.
What is the best thing you like about Chandigarh?
Again, girls. Don't ask me to compare.
Okay. That is a universal fact. Come over it. Say something else.
I think the cleanliness.
Cleanliness. Okay. Which is the... okay, you have stayed how many years in Chandigarh?
I think about a year, sir. I had to stretch at the max. Otherwise, every year I used to go for my summer vacation.
Okay. See, so since you have been off and on in the town, which is the best place to see in Chandigarh?
Sector 17. And there's a
Lady-
Gedi route also. People know it. There's a Gedi route with a nice road feature actually.
Okay, ma'am, you're from Chandigarh, right? Please tell me the KD route, because I also know Chandigarh. Okay, DV Sector 10, ma'am, I'll give you a mic. And please let the other people know what KD is.
Giri is nothing but it's just fun. You know, with your friends and sector 10, sector 11. It's considered as Giri route.
You're going with friends fine, but then what is exactly you're doing when you're with friends?
You're driving a car
Okay.
and loud music and
And-
that is enjoying. That is
And you're looking at the pretty and admiring the beauty of Chandigarh, sir.
yes,
Both ways.
definitely.
This is actually a famous Punjabi term, it's called KD. It's basically meant that you go along with your friends. Punjabis are very fond, the people in Chandigarh are very fond of cars, so they actually put loud music. And they go, and this KD thing starts somewhere around, say in the afternoon, when all the colleges of women colleges are actually, their timings are over and all the girls are coming out. It is at that time that this KD thing starts. Am I right, ma'am? So, what is the best thing about Chandigarh that you would like to visit? Don't say KD.
Like visit, sir.
Yeah. Sector 17, ladies and gentlemen, is a shopping sector. Apart from this, something picturesque.
House number 17, sector 28.
I'm glad.
So it's which?
You get all the marks.
சூப்பர் ஆன்சர் கிடைக்குது
Okay.
என்ன சொன்னீங்க
Hemulata, are we done?
சொல்லுங்க குத்தி
Please come, please.
ஒரு அட்ரஸ்
You are from Rourkela, right? Okay, I think I had entertained.
எல்லாருமே பிரசன்ஸ்
Let the skit go on now.
நம்ம தான் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணுவோம்
சாப்பிட இருக்கும் திட்டு வேற
Good evening, friends. We plan to play a small skit, which is a parody on the local TV channels. Generally, in Andhra Pradesh, we have a lot of news channels. Their main attitude is of the kind that even though the matter is not that much serious, they add some masala like it and they will they will explain the things even though they are not that much important. And even though
I'm
when they ask some questions to the guys in that area, they will add some more information and they will make the thing serious. So today it is a skit on news channel. And I am a local non-ruling party politician. He is the news reporter and he is the news reader.
Welcome everybody. Welcome to Smoke News. Well, the news updates for this time are Sunny Leon. Sunny Leon in her shari. Salman Khan wears off his t-shirt and pant. RGB stock quits making movies. Diwali celebrations on for now. So breaking news. This breaking news coming right now that some dog. The dog is in limping dog is hurt and there is our reporter Vivek over here. Vivek, are you there?
Yeah.
So what's the news over there?
Actually, as you can see, here we have dog limping here. People here are reporting they are seeing this dog limping here from 7:70 a.m. to today morning, and they have never seen such a dog limping in this area previously. Ayan.
Anything more the people are saying?
The people here, what the information from people here says this is a dog and this is limping only because of the leg injury it has. Ayan.
Have you tried talking to the dog?
Yes, I kept on asking his questions. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? But it never responded to my question.
Did you point out that you are from Smoke TV?
Yeah, that is when I told when I'm about to say it, it started barking at me, so I went off.
Oh. Did it hurt you?
No.
Okay, you are fine now.
Yeah.
So people, you can see how our reporter is trying hard to get the news for you. So, what? Is there any consolation for the dog by other dogs?
No, I don't see any other dogs here nearby to console this dog. But no problem. We have a local politician, opponent leader here to console the dog. He is here. He is with us.
So, may we connect?
Yeah, of course. Sir, good morning, sir. Can you give any information about this dog?
Yeah, sure. First of all, good evening, friends, my brothers and sisters. I seriously condemn this situation. This situation is because the complete negligence of the government.
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is because the complete negligence of the government.
Yes.
I am here to convey. This is because of the complete negligence of the government. And one more much important thing is.
What, sir?
One more much important thing is.
Yes, sir.
This dog.
Sir, sorry, sir.
This is the dog. This is the dog which had been hurt. It is limping. My heart felt so bad. And one more thing is, during our regime, never a dog is with bended tail.
Yes, sir. Absolutely. You are absolutely right.
I am here to convey the news. Then you can convey.
No, sir. Okay.
And during our regime, no dog in our constitution has a bended tail. And now we can find each and every dog is tail bended. It's tail bended. Now what I say is, if you vote for me and make me the member of Legislative Assembly, I assure you, each and every people, that I will pass a bill to the Parliament to make the tails of the dogs straighten. One more much important thing is, if the government fail to straighten the tails, right? If the government fail to straighten the tails, how can it brighten our lives? Please,
Absolutely.
very good. This is the thing you done good. So, I again assure you that I will make all the tails of the dogs straighten. And even if it is necessary, I will cut rather than seeing such tails in bended position. So please vote for me. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for valuable information. See, you can see the local politicians are very angry about the government performance, and the local party also needs the CM to resign and pay some ex gratia for this injured dog. So that's it. Ian, back to studio.
That's it for now, na?
Yeah, that's it for me.
So people, you keep watching Smoke TV, just because this is the only breaking news we have for now, and you watch it over and over, because we don't have any news for now. And there is one interesting SMS contest for you. There is no prize, but your name will be displayed. That's the the question is, how many legs does the dog have? 4, 44, between 4 to 44, or cannot be stated. So you can send your SMS to 00000 and expect that your name comes up. That's it for now.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you all for this skit. Now we can proceed for the dinner. Dinner is ready.
ஃபோட்டோ எடுத்து இனிமே உங்களுக்கு கற்பழிக்கிற மாதிரி கதறீங்க